Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. In light of today's monumental announcement, Elon Musk has launched the greatest Shiba Inu bull run in history. A number of meme coins have come and gone since the launch of the Shiba ecosystem, which was among the first of its kind. As the market's number 2 meme coin, it is an Ethereum-based initiative. Among the few DeFi meme tokens that have remained relevant for an extended period, Shiba stands out as the first. Staking, lending, and liquidity pool acquisition are just a few of the DeFi services made available by the Shiba network. A P2E mechanism that allows users to earn while gaming was also unveiled with the debut of the network's metaverse. This video will discuss Elon Musk's revelation, which has sparked the greatest Shiba Inu bull run in history. In order to view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, please subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up, and share the video. Alright, let's get this video started. With Shiba Inu now above a steady support level, the recent spike in SHIB prices was clearly not an accident as the price skyrockets. After retesting the 0.82 to 0.93 imbalance, the price of Shiba Inu surged 64% and reached a new swing high of 0.151. The daily candlestick closed 15% down at 0.129 as a result of massive profit-taking in response to this move. Although there has been a sell-off, Shiba Inu appears to be maintaining a position above the 0.118 support level. Among the most prominent digital currencies in the world, Shiba Inu has recently gained prominence. The low price and widespread availability of a Shiba meme coin with a medical theme have enticed many investors who hope to profit from the token's price fluctuations. Nevertheless, Shiba Inu's credibility as an investment for the future has never been in doubt. Many people view the token as nothing more than a speculative investment because of its low utility and widespread perception as a meme coin. Therefore, there aren't many of Shiba Inu's long-term price forecasts. This persistence suggests that buyers are protecting the level and could trigger another increase in the Shiba Inu price given favorable market conditions. The equal high at 0.000000189, which is almost 39% below the present level, is the most apparent goal in this scenario. Two major resistance levels, 0.199 and 0.21.121, will be encountered by the price of Shiba Inu beyond this. Both levels are perfect for maximizing profits. Although Shiba Inu's prospects are bright, the first indication of weakness will be a failure to maintain support at 0.118. Potential customers may feel uneasy about this new development. A lower bottom will be created and the bullish thesis will be invalidated if the daily candlestick closes below 0.103. The price of Shiba Inu could fall another 18% and retest the 0.82 support level if this happens. We don't know for sure if the SHIB will reach $1. Its value has increased by 1,294,881.3% since its debut. It was unfathomable in 2020 that a $100 investment in Shiba Inu would yield millions of dollars in just over a year. By the end of 2023, SHIB might reach $1 if the coin pulls a similar move. Many analysts continue to have a positive outlook, keeping a bullish outlook for the token even while skeptics have a poor long-term prediction for the project development. Experts in the field of technology have predicted the 2030 value of the Shiba Inu coin. By the end of 2030, the token is projected to reach an average price of around $0.29591, which represents a rise of more than 2,500%. The coin price projection was almost as optimistic about the SHIB price for 2030, projecting that the token would trade at around 0.000032252 by year's end, meaning a 190% gain. The SHIB pair, which hit a record low of 0.841 in November, has since recovered somewhat, indicating a bullish setting. A falling trend line has been a solid support for the pair since November 2021, and the price level coincided with it. For example, in May 2022, Shiba Inu fell to the established trend line, and in the 3 months that followed it rallied 100%. Similarly, in January 2022, the pair of Doge and SHIB recovered by over 50% in the span of less than a month. Notably, the main upside targets for all SHIB and Doge recovery advances were in the range of 0.2186 to 0.2536. From the Fibonacci retracement graph, which is drawn from the 0.25362536 swings high to the 0.899 swings low, this area correlates with the pair's 0.786 to 1 fib line range. Accordingly, if the past is any indication, the SHIB Doge market might experience a sudden turn for the better with a price target of 0.2186 to 0.2536. Put simply, a minimum of a 15-fold increase in value by the end of the first quarter of 2023. Furthermore, the pair's daily relative strength indicator has dropped to historic lows, indicating severe oversold circumstances. Hence, a recovery is probably on the horizon. Their individual performances relative to the US dollar provide more clues about an impending SHIB and Doge pair rally. Notably, following Elon Musk's acquisition of Twitter, the price of Dogecoin surged by over 100% against the dollar in October as investors evaluated the cryptocurrency's chances of becoming deeply integrated into the social media platform. This caused Doge's daily RSI to reach a level not seen since April 2021, when it was above 95. The coin's technical overbought status as of November 3 suggests a possible price correction could occur soon. With a 10.5% profit at the end of October, Shiba Inu appears to be under less sell-side pressure than Doge according to its relative strength index RSI, which is in the neutral 30 to 70 zone as of November 3. However, due to its recent oscillations within an ascending triangle range, the SHIB pair still faces the possibility of a 10% to 15% short-term price correction to 0.1088. A breach below 0.1088 meantime might set off an ascending triangle. When this type of breakout occurs during a downtrend, the price usually drops by the maximum height of the pattern. Accordingly, a final breakdown might cause Shiba Inu's price to plummet to 0.682, a 45% correction by the first quarter. Elon Musk is well known for being one of the world's wealthiest people and the creator of product architect Tesla. He has had an impact on crypto entrepreneurs and those in the automotive business. Musk initially brought up Bitcoin in 2014 when he voiced his doubts about the technology. I suppose the investigation has ended now that Satoshi Nakamoto has been found. This came after Satoshi Nakamoto, whose given name is Dorian Nakamoto, rejected an earlier Newsweek piece that claimed to have found the genuine identity of Bitcoin's mysterious founder. By early 2021, Musk had changed his mind about cryptocurrencies, having tweeted his support for memecoin pioneer Dogecoin. Musk has swiftly influenced Dogecoin once again since becoming the new CEO of Twitter. A significant quantity of SHIB is being burned as the popular meme coin eagerly awaits the release of its Chibarium. Today, news surfaced that the SHIB burn rate has increased by 260%. According to on-chain analytics, this uptick happened just yesterday. Several defunct wallets supposedly received the cryptocurrency from the SHIB community. The announcement of Chibarium, a Layer 2 solution, was followed closely by the event. There is widespread speculation that the two concepts are complementary. In your report from earlier today, you mentioned the rising burn rate and the huge increase in circulation. An increase of 259.48% in the rate of SHIB removal from the circulating supply was reported on the site in the last 24 hours. The Inferno wallets have received 22,248,100 Goldfitbers for Shiba Inu, which means they are dead addresses and the tokens cannot be redeemed or spent from them. The enormous increase from the previous day is also mentioned in the report. Within that short frame, 7 million meme tokens were transferred to inactive wallets, and this is